Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on adding your Facebook page to your WordPress site. In this tutorial, you will learn how to integrate your Facebook feed into your website quickly, all within 5 minutes. We will guide you clearly through each stage of the process to ensure that by the end you have successfully embedded your Facebook content into your WordPress site. Begin by navigating to the WordPress homepage in your web browser. Once you have reached the WordPress site, locate the login option positioned at the top right corner of the page. This placement makes it easy for returning users to quickly find and access their accounts, ensuring that your workflow starts smoothly. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several sign-in options. For an easier and more streamlined experience, select the option that allows you to continue using your Google account. By choosing this method, you bypass the need to enter your username and password manually while leveraging the secure login system provided by Google. Once you click on the Continue with Google button, a prompt will appear asking you to choose which Google account you want to use. Carefully select the appropriate account that you plan to work with, as this choice will determine which site details and permissions are used during the editing process. With your login complete, you are now inside the WordPress dashboard. Look for the quick link section within the dashboard, which contains several shortcuts to common tasks. In this section, find and click the option labeled Edit Site. This action will transition you to the site editing environment where you can modify the appearance and content of your website. Upon entering the editing interface, you will see a list of your sites. Select the specific site that you wish to update by clicking on it. This selection confirms that you are intending to work on the correct project and sets the stage for further customization. Once your chosen site is open for editing, shift your attention to the top right corner where you will see a plus icon. Clicking on this icon is the pathway to adding various elements to your site, such as new blocks or modules. When you click the plus icon, a search bar will appear, allowing you to filter available components. In the search field, type in the word Facebook. This search instantly brings up the Facebook embed option from the available block choices, simplifying the process of finding the right tool for social media integration. Selecting the Facebook embed block adds it to your page, and this block is designed specifically to display Facebook feeds on WordPress sites. The final stage of the process involves connecting your Facebook feed. After the Facebook embed block has been added, initiate the connection process by linking your Facebook content to the embed module. This step ensures that the most recent posts and updates from your Facebook page are dynamically integrated into your WordPress site, providing visitors with real-time access to your social media activity. With these simple steps completed, your Facebook page is now successfully integrated into your WordPress site. Enjoy the seamless combination of your website and social media presence, as your audience can now view your Facebook updates directly through your embedded feed. This efficient process not only enhances the overall functionality of your site, but also helps keep your content fresh and engaging for all visitors.